Hello, it's me, Ali. Guess what? I've hijacked this channel for this little unboxing of, I know. Let's get down to it. So, ooh, hieroglyphic. Is that what you call it? Hieroglyph? You know where you get them? Nice. So, this is what the box looks like. And this is what it's, I know, trivia for your eyes. It includes 400 image cards, 2 dice, 2 sheets of stickers, 1 instruction sheet. So, I was going to read that then, but it's French. I don't think you'll understand me, I'm French. It says, everyone can play, anyone can win. Explore the world through images. Answer one of 3 question types on the back of the card. Try to amass the most cards after 5 rounds to win. So I'll just get the little knife and cut the box very carefully. We have one here and we have one up there. So shall we have a look what's inside? Oh, and also it's from ages 12 upwards. So there's the instruction pamphlet. As it says, it's got 400 cards, 2 sticker sheets, 2 dice and an instruction sheet, which is this. It goes through the object of the game, the setup and the let's play, and to win, and an alternative play system. So you can, if it's with the younger players, then you can use the dice, allowing them to select any image from the grid. So I would assume that's the grid there. And it's just blank on the back. Okay. Stephen's been wanting this for weeks. Every time we've been going to Tesco, he's been wanting to get it. And it was an offer and we just couldn't get it then. So I actually got it off Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. But there's the stickers. There's the dice. And I think these are the cards here. So what I'm going to do is push that up there. Over to the side rather. So I can pick them up better. And we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 packs of cards. I think they are different. Oh, there you go. So the blue on one side, and then the answers are the green. That's what I'm seeing first. Have we got a little tab to open them? No. So we'll get a knife out again. Whee! There's one. There's 2. Oh, there's 3 and there's 4 going to be unplasticed. That's my word. Made that up myself, unplasticed. Anyway, so I'll do these. So we have pictures of items. That's cute. So like this one, it's got they all have different colours. So, but this one's like brand. What brand is it? Spiritual leader. What spiritual leader it is? Fungus. And all them. Fictional character. You know who that is though, don't you? Fictional character again, depicted, and you say who it is, and if it's the answer's on the back. But there's 3 answers. So, but what I'm going to say is, my lovely husband to be, he'll do a playthrough. Or we'll do a playthrough, actually. I wouldn't mind doing a playthrough with you. So we can do an instructional video.
What's on the back of the questions that you have to answer about the picture?
Right.
So it's not the answers on the back, it's the questions and answers.
Oh, right. So, right. So I know a drink. So this could be a martini. Not on the rocks, but it's got green stuff in it. So you ask a question. Here, do that one.
I'm not myself.
Oh, right. Okay. So you just oh, right. Okay. A martini with a pickled onion is called a Churchill. And obviously, well, if you say true or false, but it's false, it's called a something martini. So that's what the type of playthrough you do. Oh, video game series. So you get that as a prompt, do you? They're like prompts. Oh, you know him. I used to watch his film, the little one. The little one. At Christmas time. The little one.
Mm.
It's opposite to what? Making myself laugh. How sad. But that's the type of that we've got some more. We've got a type of shape, and what type of plant it is. Game. Oh, I'll be lost with that one. I don't know that one. In the UK, this is jelly cubes. But in America, it's Jello. Politician, insect, what type? Oh, we call them ladybirds. In America, they call them something else. Oh, a Canadian singer. No, it's not Miss Ding Dong. So, anyway, let's have a look through that. another one. Another politician, some more food. The Oriental, a lot of people like that. I've not tried it from a proper restaurant, but a lot of people like this type of food that's not cooked. Clothing. Another politician. I'm sick of these politicians. A business leader. An animal. Oh, so cute. And the director of one of the films that my Stevie doesn't like. And Diana. And there you go. So we have them. But please tune in for the next video when we're actually playing it, because I think it might be a good game to actually do an instructional video with. So as Stephen says, God bless. Damn, his sad bird, I've forgotten his saying. What is it? Take care, God bless, and bye for now. I thought Little Hamster was out there, that's what caught me eye. So, take care, God bless, and bye for now. Because we are on the Spiders Webs channel, of which I overtook this episode. So, but don't forget to give that thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell, and you can also comment down below as well. So, for now, I say ta-ra!